bugs, insects, and crawly critters. Crawly creatures. This book looks pretty cool. It's got snails and butterflies. Ooh, a giant grasshopper. It's a crawly creature. Page 1, Snail. A snail moves very slowly. It slides along on one slimy foot and carries a hard shell on its back. It can pull its body into the shell to hide from danger. A snail has feelers on its head. These help it find the leaves that it likes to eat. Where are these feelers, Apollo?
On the eye.
Come show me.
Right here.
Oh, and those are its eyes?
Yep.
That's pretty cool. All right, what's next? Oh, what's that?
Because that's a spider. And because snails because stuff likes to touch that snail's eyes.
Oh.
Especially humans.
So they can retract those eye things? All right, well, let's read about the spiders. The spider makes a silk thread inside its body. It uses the silk to spin a sticky web between plants. When a fly gets caught in the web, the spider runs out and wraps it up in silk. It keeps the fly to eat for later. Oh, why is this spider all hairy, Apollo?
Because it's a tarantula.
Well, maybe. Or it's just zoomed way in. It's got a leg, its foot, its feelers. Butterfly is next, Apollo. This butterfly lays her eggs on the leaves of flowers. The eggs hatch into caterpillars. The caterpillars eat the leaves, and they grow big and fat. Slowly, each one turns into a pupa, and later the pupa splits open and a new butterfly comes out. Whoa, look at these scales, Apollo. Look, if you zoom way in on a butterfly wing, that's
No,
scales.
that's not scales. That's actually the butterfly's ducts to help it fly.
Well, it says scales, though. This is its wing. That's its head.
Well, they're long.
Oh, okay.
They just think it's scales.
Well, all right.
It's actually dust to help them.
It's just dust on the butterfly wing? Okay. Bumblebee. Bumblebees live together in a nest in the ground. They work hard to take care of the queen bee. The bees leave their nest to look for food. They feed on juice from flowers and collect pollen on their hairy bodies. Then they carry the pollen back to the nest for the queen bee and her babies. This is a very hairy bee. Its wings are interesting. Look at the shapes on its wings.
It's a carpenter bee.
It does look like a carpenter bee. I didn't know they had queen bees with carpenter bees, but this thing said they did. Grasshopper. The grasshopper lives in the grassy places. Its green color helps it to hide. It has strong back
There's
legs.
actually grasshoppers in our backyard.
Yeah, we have a lot of grasshoppers back there, huh? Mm-hmm. Its strong back legs and can jump a long way. When it is in danger, the grasshopper springs into the air and spreads its wings to glide away. Ooh, look at these cutting jaws that the grasshopper has.
Yep, it can cut grass.
Yeah, that's to cut some grass. Look at these springy legs. Ooh, ants. These wood ants live in the big nest with thousands of others. Each ant has its own job to do. Some ants take care of the eggs and clean the nest, while other ants search for food in the woods. They carry insects back to the nest to feed the young ants.
They even have a queen.
Yeah, these have a queen. They have some cutting jaws, too. Oh, and look, you can see the 3 parts of an insect here. Its abdomen, its thorax, and its head. These long feelers help it get around, I think. Oh, the next one is cool. It's a ladybug. Ladybug.
They really help plants.
They do.
They're my favorite.
They eat all the aphids, huh?
That's my favorite bug.
All right. A ladybug is a kind of beetle with brightly colored wing cases. These cases warn birds that a ladybug won't taste good. A ladybug eats insects which it finds on plants and flowers. When the ladybug flies away, it lifts up the wing cases and spreads its wings. Where's its wing case?
Right there.
This? Yeah.
In the shell.
And its wings are hidden underneath that case?
Yep, but the shell is very delicate.
All right, here's the damselfly.
No, it's a dragonfly, actually.
It does look like a dragonfly to me, too.
No,
but
it's actually a dragonfly.
they call it the damselfly. And the damselfly lives near ponds and streams. It has 4 wings and darts through the air. Its big eyes help it to spot other moving insects. A damselfly can catch an insect in midair. When it does, it settles on a leaf to eat its catch. It has large wings, similar to the bee wings. It has very large eyes, and
Similar to the ant's eyes.
and it has this weird tail. I'm not sure what the tail is for.
Similar to the grasshopper tail.
Yeah. And that's it. That's our book of insects. So your favorite was the ladybug?
Yeah.
Don't you like a cartoon that's called Ladybug too?
No.
You don't? You used to love that cartoon. Adios.